Alright guys, this was the second take on this car wash here, and so far my impression is pretty good. I think the car is pretty clean. We'll see a little bit later outside. The guy gave me an air refreshener here. It's called black eyes or something with black, and a dash wipe. And I see we have vacuums here, we have compressed air, and we also have some clean towels there. See? So the whole thing cost me $24, and that's a lot of money, but compared to what I paid in Park City at Mr. Carwash, this is a good deal, a really good deal. Alright, I'm gonna go outside and I'll wipe my car down, and then I'll go inside, because apparently there's like a customer lounge inside here or something. I don't know. I'll go look at it and see if that's true and what they offer. So don't close the video yet. Let me wipe my car down and we'll go inside and see what they have. By the way, there's also a holder there for the car mats, you know, so you can clean them, maybe vacuum them better or tap them out. I don't know what it is. Anyways, let me go do that and I'll be right back. So one thing that is nice here, they borrow you a glass cleaner, so you can use your glass cleaner and your microfiber towel and clean your windows. So that's a good thing. So this is the members lounge. You got some soft drinks here and some flavor to add, as well as a sink and I guess a garbage can. Okay, yeah, I think this is interesting. Okay, not something I would need, but definitely good to have. All right, so I'll go back to my car and I'll tell you what my final thoughts are on this car wash. All right guys, and here we have it. So there's the car wash in the background there. By the way, nice scenery around here. Too bad that they're building everywhere, but if they wouldn't, we wouldn't have this car wash. So what are my final thoughts on the car wash? Quite honestly, I tried this car wash a couple of months ago when they had free washes, when they started with business, and I had one of the management guys or son comment on my video, which was nice, and he said that they have a members lounge, so I decided to come back and give it a try. And yes, they do have a members lounge. The members lounge, I showed it in the video, it has some soft drinks and some flavor stuff to put in them, which is pretty good. But the most important is, how do they clean cars? And I have to tell you, they do a really good job. I mean, you have some bugs left on them, but see, that scratches off, but you know, you can't blame the car wash for that, because stuff sticks on the car and doesn't always come off. The front bugs are pretty much gone, which is good. There's some water left, but not too much. A lot better than most of the other washes around. My nice carriage top here, of course, wears off when you go to an automatic wash, but I'm dealing with that, and if the top gets too bad, I'll redo it. I'll have a company redo it, because I want to keep this car. Yeah, I'm happy, I'm pleased. The tire shine actually works, and you can tell that it works. Can you see that? See, it looks good. The tire shine works. What I really like is that they have towels, microfiber towels to dry your car off, which other washes have that too, like Quick Crack has that, and some others too. Now, a little bit of a negative thing is the towels they use here, they feel like they are less soft than the ones that the competition uses. I'm not sure if that's just me or if they really are. They feel like they're less soft, and they didn't pick up the moisture as good. Maybe they got washed the wrong way, or maybe someone had something greasy on his rag and it ruined the rags in the wash. That is possible. That's always the risk when you give rags a way for people to clean their cars, because there might be someone who tries to clean stuff they shouldn't, puts grease on them, wipes the wheels off. That's not what it's meant for. But they did a decent job. I like that they have cleaners available. There is a mat cleaner, so you can clean your floor mats, and of course there are vacuums. So yeah, great job, great car wash. And if I would be living closer, I'd be a member here, but I'm not far away, but too far away to be a member. So sorry about that, but I won't be a member. But I'll for sure be back to have my car washed occasionally. And if you work at this car wash and see this, please leave a comment. And if you like car videos, please subscribe. Alright guys, have a wonderful day, and I hope you washed your car, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you soon. See you soon.